On is a premium sportswear brand. We're rooted in Swiss design, innovation, engineering. I lead the UX UI design team. We're made up of researchers, designers, product designers. We design for web, app. We have B2B apps. We have internal tools. Figma has sort of become the central nervous system for us now. On the e-com side, we're made up of, we work in streams, which are made up of designers, engineers, PMs, marketers, data scientists, QA, and a lot of that collaboration now happens in Figma. We can't do everything in real time. We're across multiple time zones, so having Figma be an always-on tool where we can leave comments and collaborate across different continents has been hugely beneficial for us. Also, dev mode has been a big unlock in terms of collaboration with engineers. Not having to write specs is a very nice thing for us. We have roughly 45 engineers that are either on dev mode or a full edit account. So they live in Figma as much as we do. By doing that, not only have we reduced the amount of, kind of admin tasks, it's also made the quality better because they can see exactly what the values are and there's no more guessing. What's maybe evolved a little bit is how digital design has now become a strategic and business priority. E-com is our biggest sales channel, so we need to treat our users the way we do anywhere else. Every once in a while you'll see a CMO in a Figma file. That can be nerve-wracking, but it's also kind of refreshing to see that it's not a black box for anyone anymore. I think that also helps us in a way because it shows the amount of, they don't just see the output, they see the work that goes into these things and the care that we take in the pride that we take in our work.